good day everyone. On today's video, we are going to discuss on how to make an Ethernet cable. So first of all, I'm gonna discuss the Ethernet cable that is using on a local area network, which I'm referring to the twisted pair cable. So what are the twisted pair cables? These are the Ethernet cables that you'll find as you connect your computer uh, to your router or modem, so you can access your internet. The one end of the cable plugs into your computer's network cable or interface card rather, and the other end plugs into the network port of your router, switch, or modem, depending upon what you're actually using. Now we have the internet twisted pair cables come in two different types. The first type would be the unshielded twisted pair, which is by far the most common type of cable that is used today. The unshielded twisted pair consists of four pairs of color-coded wires twisted around each other. The wires are twisted to prevent electromagnetic interference or crosstalk, and this type of network cable is what most people use in their home or business. So the second type would be the shielded twisted pair. This pair is very similar to unshielded twisted pair, except that it actually has a foil shield that covers the wires, and this shielding adds an extra layer of protection against electromagnetic interference leaking into and out of the cable. So this type of cable is mainly used for industrial purposes and not so much in a home business. So the next thing that I will discuss is on how to create or how would we are going to attach those cables to your RJ45 connectors. So the first thing is you would have to remove the protective shielding at each end of the network cables to expose your wires, and this is usually done by using a cable stripper. So we actually need a cable stripper in this process. The cable would be inserted to a cable stripper, and then the outer shedding is going to be removed to expose the wires. And then you would insert the cable into a wire crimper to attach the RJ45 connector. But before you touch the connector, the wires in the cable have to be arranged in a certain order, and that order will be different depending upon the purpose of our cable. So for example, the most common types of twisted pair cables that are used in a local area network are straight and crossover cables. So these two cables have two different purposes. So let's go ahead and talk about it more. So we actually have here two twisted pair cables. The one standard is called the 568A, and the other one with is 568B. And as you can see, the wiring order for both A and B standards, the orders are based on the color of the wires. So, for example, the 56A standard is wire in this order. We have the white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, the blue, or white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. And the 568B standard is wired in the following. We have the white, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, and last but not the least is the color brown. So the only difference matter which standards is being used. Both standards do the same thing, but here um, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from that video. Well, you all have a wonderful day and just be safe always, okay? Goodbye.